So far, it's been a great experience for me. So me and a few of my teammates every day after practice, we always go for lunch. After the second practice, we go for dinner. So I have a good idea of what the city is like. You know, it's a very big city. I heard it's one of the biggest in Spain, maybe top 5 or top 6. So, you know, I think it's a great place to be. I think the basketball is a great culture here from what I've heard, and you know, it's a dream. It's an illusion to be here. Yeah, everybody is a great person that I met. Everybody wants to win. Everybody has the same goals, and you know, when you have a lot of guys together that want the same thing, good things can happen. So nobody here wants to be better than anybody else. Everybody works together, and through these days in preseason, it made everything a lot easier for us. Yeah, I mean, every day is going to be like this. Every day, everybody's going to push each other. We're going to push each other to be our best. So whoever deserves to play, will play. You know, I'll be away from the team, but you know, my focus will still be here because I have to make sure that I'm still on board and still in rhythm with the team here. So I have to make sure I study the set still, make sure every day I'm thinking about what I have to do when I come back here, because you know, it's going to be a very important season for us, and I think every moment we have together in this preseason to build is a great moment for us. So when I come back and we have these next matches, I believe about 3 more matches when I return. It's important that we fight and we again see where we are in preparation for the season. Personally, I just want to show that I belong in a league like this. You know, every year I try to make a step and to show that I belong, you know, to play in the high level. But as a team, I just want to take it a game at a time, one game at a time, and try to win every game. That's always the goal, but we can't always promise that. So what we can promise is that we're going to fight until the end, and we're going to be satisfied with whatever comes after that.